आप पहले सवाल पी रहे हैं।
All I'm saying is that this is a system. I'm not going to talk to you about what's that kuffar sunnat is to make noise.
So you're saying you're kuffar?
No,
But you're the one been making noise so far, right? No?
The people kuffar doesn't mean that. We take that information from what kuffar used to do. Because a person who wants to listen to the knowledge, he slowly listens.
आवाज अभी
वो नहीं चाहते ना माइक्स में आए, मैं इसीलिए I'll get the mics close to him.
Speakers को ना
मुरब्बी साहब माइक्स में बोले, माइक्स में आपकी आवाज आएगी।
you're talking as if you're
Where's
ये माइक्स मेरे साथ लगे हैं।
speak they're going to heaven.
चल तेरे एक सारे कैमरे के नहीं आएंगे ना, अब बोले ताकि आपकी आवाज तो आए ना लोगों
all I'm saying is that with him, I was talking to somebody else. He came in there.
को। Because you were lying, मुरब्बी
He's not
साहब।
stopping now. He's got a problem. This is not the way to talk about Islam.
Agree.
Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam,
Agree.
And say, there's a system. Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to talk very slowly.
Yes.
Prophet talk very slowly.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
If there is something wrong in me, it will come. And with the noise, in a noisy system.
Step back a little bit,
or
please, from the cameras.
Just keep on talking nonsense about it. This is normally opponents do that. Opponents of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam still do that. They make so much noise, so much propaganda, so much that is big noise, and that is their trick. What I'm saying is that if you want to talk about something, I said if you want to question, at least one question should be there that people should.
Yes, you made it very clear.
But you,
Thank you.
He didn't give me them. I explained to you the way he said he put 20 questions. I was going to.
Okay, which question would you like to address?
Could you stop? Because
You're taking time, Rabi Saab. You've been speaking for how many minutes has he been?
No, he's killed everything. I've just said you can show me.
Which question would you like
I'm
to?
just saying is I have not answered even one. You said 5 minutes.
But you're taking your time. You're taking your time waffling.
Lying and lying.
I'm not.
Lying never finish.
I am not.
If somebody lying,
All
it
I'm
cannot
saying
be
is-
finished.
all I'm saying
It's
is that
only
there's no
lying
justice
and a
in
lying
time,
and a
and
lying
there's no
and
system
a
in
lying
time.
and a lying.
Actually, I said
Yeah.
Okay,
in
Poor
our
guy,
terminology,
lying,
in my terminology, he's a
lying.
frightened man.
Yeah.
Chalo.
Because he doesn't
Right.
let me speak.
Ah.
No, he's still there. He doesn't let me speak. Because I said, if you all understand, the question can be put in 2 minutes. But I said I need 5 minutes. And he stopped with
नहीं
me.
टोपी तो मुरब्बी आ
नहीं ये हमें पास सारे खोते पाए
So how can we just teach
समझते नहीं हो
we here for some
इन्होंने सारे सिखाया ही है अभी
I have a
हैं?
belief, you have
इन्होंने
it.
सिखाया कुछ
What are you showing
What you
me?
will tell me, I
Oh, the verse.
and if you make just
Yeah.
noise like noisy the way he's doing it, this is
Murabbi
great.
Saab, is this the Quran? ये कुरान है ना?
इन्हों की पता कुरान की ਹੁੰਦਾ
नहीं ये कुरान. This is Quran, right?
He
Okay.
is now.
अब कुरान
This person has come.
Murabbi
Yeah,
Saab.
he's- yeah.
Murabbi Saab.
yeah
Murabbi Saab.
This person has come.
Murabbi Saab.
Because he knows that he will lose.
yeah
Because
he's lying
I'm losing.
liar gonna lose
Let,
it
Abhi, Murabbi Sahib earlier was saying to this brother that Khatam is the Quran, Khatim isn't the Quran. I just pulled out. I just wait. No.
Go ahead.
We have seen this. For the first question was Khatam and Khatim. Quran is Quran. He's saying there is no Khatim in the Quran. He said that. I am going to show him the Quran now in Warsh reading. Warsh, which was the majority reading in the Muslim world until the 19th century. It was only in the 19th century when Hafs became the widespread reading of the Quran. Warsh was the majority reading of the Quran in the world up to the 19th century. What does Warsh read? Read now, read. पढ़ो वही आयत, अपनी फेवरेट आयत पढ़ो जो हमारी भी फेवरेट है. I will read it. अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम. बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. मा काना मुहम्मदुन अबा अहदिम मिर रिजालिकुम वलाकिन रसूलुल्लाह व खातिम. Read. وَخَاتِمِ النَّبِيِّينَ. Here. He's denying it. He's denying the Quran. In front of the whole world, he is denying the Quran. Okay? These people, yes, kasra.
No,
Yes.
hang on.
Only one is...
No, wait. Tell him why did you agree before with the Shaykh?
Yeah.
Why did you agree that there is a qira'ah like that with me?
Yes,
Why did
but
you
he's denying it now. He's denying it now. Yeah,
But
he's
why
denying
did
it.
you agree?
Okay, देखिए Murabbi Sahib, you look like an intelligent man. You look like an educated man. Why can we not have a conversation? What's the problem? Why are you so fidgety?
Because you don't let talk.
You are fidgeting. Relax. Look. 9 out of 10 qiraat, 9
Nonsense.
Murabbi Sahib, let me speak nonsense. He's calling the Quran nonsense. He's calling the Quran nonsense. Wait, Murabbi Sahib, listen to me. Don't defend the indefensible. Okay, 9 qiraat out of 10 they read khatim. They read no. He's saying no, and I'm showing him the proof. Here. Here it say Warsh reading of the Quran. Here it reads Duri, yes, Hamza,
and he's trying to
Ibn Kathir, all of them. Only Hafs reads Khatam. And because they haven't seen other qiraat, Quran is not in fashion in the Qadiani Jamaat. Quran is not a priority. They don't teach the Quran and the Quranic sciences and the qiraat. This is why they are ignorant about these things. Their followers, their gullible followers around the world, they are taught that there is only one reading, which is Khatam, to deceive them, to twist the meaning. But Khatim, they completely ignore because it pulls the rug from their feet. That's why they run away like this. Every time we debate the Qadianis, the Ahmadis, they will come and they will throw spanners in the works. They will muddy the waters so that the water looks deep. You see how Nietzsche, oh Paijan.
How he pops up. This is the person. Should show him what is he going to tell to the people. Khatam means he is the authority over the prophets.
But you're saying it's not there. It's there right here. You have to read it.
Khatam.
What about Khatim? Is there Khatim? Oh, Khatim is there. Wait. Read. Okay, read. Can someone come and read? Can someone? Because he doesn't believe. Can someone read? Read. Come in. Read.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ما كان محمدا أبا أحد من رجالكم ولكن رسول الله وخاتم النبيين.
خاتم النبيين.
There is كسرة أخي. Look.
كسرة ضمة كسرة فتحة.
ما هذا
They are there.
Oh,
That is the only word.
Relax.
He's the greatest.
Relax.
He's the trying.
Relax. Murabbi Sahib, relax. दिल का दौरा ना पड़ जाए कहीं. Relax.
And he's making noise.
ओ कहीं दिल का दौरा ना पड़ जाए, हार्ट अटैक ना हो जाए. एक मिनट. ओ भाईजान, एक मिनट. It is in black and white. Khatim is written. Wait. Murabbi Sahib.
Noise. Why don't you? What happened to your law?
Look. I am appealing.
If you make it Khatim,
I am appealing to all the Qadianis in the world. एक मिनट. Murabbi Sahib, एक मिनट मुझे बात करने दें. I am appealing to all the Qadianis in the world. This is the reality of your Jamaat. This is the outcome. This is the fruit of Mirza. Clear deniers of the Quran. I am appealing to.
doing as a kafar.
यार Murabbi Sahib बोलने.
He's trying to change the class. He's trying to prove that Rasulullah is not the greatest. This is what he's trying to do.
No, I'm not.
You are mad.
I'm not.
Because that's the only word which we say he's the authority over the
If you
prophet.
believe that, what is this liar telling you?
Tell him-
believe that?
tell him to
Did you
prove
believe
if
that?
somebody
I
asks
prove.
Rasulullah is the
I
biggest,
prove
how
Mirza
can he say
Ghulam
that?
Qadiani was a liar. I prove Mirza Ghulam Qadiani was a liar, and he is a disciple.
أخي one second. Are we kuffar if we say khatim? Are we kuffar? Because to you we change the ma'na of the Quran, of the qira'ah.
Yeah, they believe that.
To you, are we kuffar or not?
Yeah, we are kuffar to them. Trust me.
I want him to say
Yeah,
it.
to them, you know, they're kafar.
Noel.
I want him to say it.
Oh, they won't say that. No, they won't say it.
आजो ठहर. Okay, I'm
All
going
I
to.
said was that
Why are you pushing?
this is the way of.
He's pushing.
How can you discuss?
If he could, he would slap me.
Quran here. How can you discuss people like
Oh,
him?
Murabbi Sahib. Look, Murabbi. Am I respectful to him? Everyone, am I respectful to him? He's an elder. I cannot disrespect him. I cannot insult him. I'm not here for that. I'm only here to have a dialogue or conversation to educate people. Murabbi Sahib, if you want to educate people, we can talk to each other in a decent fashion. in a civilized way.
Talking is somebody you keep and shut up for you for sometimes the others should talk. This is what I'm saying.
Murabbi
You are
Sahib,
not doing it.
Murabbi Sahib, I gave you 2 minutes free
I
to
gave you 2
speak,
minutes free.
and you spoke without interruption. And when I started speaking, you started interrupting because you didn't like what I'm saying. So let me speak now. I'm saying.
Let me speak to him.
I-
All the time is he speaking.
No, you can speak. 2 minutes. You want 2 minutes?
But you are making.
You want
those
2 minutes?
people- I don't want the 2 minutes. I said.
But then you don't want to. You don't want 2 minutes,
2 minutes,
and you
you
don't want
don't
to.
because-
You don't want to be
because
quiet.
he wants
You don't want to be
5
quiet.
He wants 5 minutes.
Okay, you want 5 minutes?
Yes.
Okay.
5 minutes,
Okay,
and then
fine.
you're gonna be quiet for 5 minutes while I'm speaking, no interruption.
Yes,
Okay.
Okay, let
5
him
minutes.
speak for 5
Five painful exercise, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's gonna be very painful. Okay, but okay. I want to ask a question. I want to ask a question. Why 5 minutes? Why not 2 minutes?
Because.
Why not 2 minutes? 2 minutes, you can quickly respond to points. 5 minutes, what you're going to do is you're going to go on a long tangent, okay? You're going to explain a lot of things, and then I'm going to be explaining in 5 minutes. No one's going to get any idea what we're talking about because there's going to be a lot of detail. Why don't we stick to one point, discuss it in 2 minutes each, and everyone gets to know what we have to say. 1 point, one question. How about that? One question. What's the problem?
That's good. That's good.
And your other Murabbis have been doing it. You've been watching our debates with Murabbis. We do 2 minutes, 2 minutes. They're all happy with it. For some reason, Germans have higher testosterone levels or something. Okay, so look. No, seriously. So because he's from Germany, he came from Germany. Okay, wait. So 2 minutes. Murabbis have 2 minutes. 2 minutes, yeah.
3 minutes.
What question do you want to talk about Khatam and Khatim? Do you want Murabbi
Start
Sahib?
5 minutes and I said, what's the problem?
Murabbi Sahib, I will stop right now. You can start speaking. 2 minutes on Khatam and Khatim. Go ahead.
That's the topic. Yeah.
No,
That's the
I don't
topic.
agree with you now because.
Well, no problem, but you can address it in 2 minutes.
You can't even agree on the topic.
In 2 minutes, you can address it.
Simply, I'm not talking in this discussion. I'm not interested because when we started it, I said, this is how it will work. I said, when you put a question, I need 5 minutes, and you agreed because I have to explain that thing. Otherwise, it's
You're going to explain 5 minutes, Khatam and Khatim?
Yes.
You're going to
It's not a
explain 5
question.
minutes?
All what you
Okay,
said.
5 minutes. Go on.
Okay,
Go on, 5
5
minutes.
minutes.
No, hold on.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
No.
Go
You
on.
said 5 minutes.
Hold on.
You start.
Hold on. You have messed up everything. Look what they're making. What I said was that I said.
You messed up the Jamaat today.
Maybe 5 minutes is fine.
My Jamaat is the greatest Jamaat of the world. And
We can
are
see
the
that.
true Ahmad.
We can see
And
that.
that's why you're frightened and you don't let me talk. This is what I'm saying. I said, I
giving
take
you
it
5
as-
minutes,
I
5
take
minutes.
it as-
It started already, mate. Go on.
No, I'm not talking about that. What I'm saying is,
5 minutes, Murabbi Sahib. We will start your time. Talk about Khatam. Guys, he doesn't want to talk, right? No, leave it. We'll leave it. Thank you, Murabbi Sahib. Thank you. Coffee achhi hai?
He's frightened.
Did you like the coffee?
He knows 5 minutes will kill him.
Okay, 5 minutes.
5
We'll do
minutes.
it. 5 minutes.
Okay,
Because he knows
5 minutes.
that.
Go on.
Half an hour.
He's telling you, go ahead.
Now you
Go
want
ahead.
1 hour.
Oh, go
last
ahead.
100
Go
times
ahead.
he has done.
Okay, start is 5 minutes. Khatam and Khatim, address it.
5 minutes. Yalla.
Tell us why Khatim is not the Quran. Tell us. We are insisting Khatim is the Quran. You're saying Khatim isn't the Quran. Khatam is. 5 minutes. Go on. Time starts now. Phas gao. Hon phas gaye. Hon nahi bachna. Hon nahi bachna.
5 minutes, yes.
Gentlemen, I will ask you one thing.
5 minutes start or no?
You know you stop.
Okay.
Oh,